I'm delighted to welcome all of you to Huntley Meadows this afternoon for our annual Wetlands Awareness Day. And this year we have even more reason to celebrate as we mark three major milestones. It's the 50th anniversary of Huntley Meadows, it's the 200th anniversary of Historic Huntley, and it's the 75th anniversary of the Fairfax County Park Authority.
I can't emphasize how important that is to have places like this in our county where people can just go and decompress, enjoy nature, and take advantage of all the wonderful time that they have to be in Huntley Meadows Park.
I'm an ecologist, so places like this is very special to me. It is such a wonderful place with a wonderful history. I commend all of the people from the past and the present who worked so tirelessly to protect it so that we could enjoy it today.
Huntley Meadows Park is more than just a local treasure. It is a vital part of our regional ecosystem and a living example of what thoughtful conservation can achieve. And we honor the people, past and present, who have preserved, protected, and shared this place with so many generations. In recognition of the vital role that wetlands plays in our environment and our community, I'm proud to present with Sharon McKay a Wetlands Awareness Day proclamation.
Today is Wetlands Awareness Day, which is the largest yearly event here at Huntley Meadows Park. It's sponsored by the Friends Group. It's free for all to join and appropriate for people of all ages. There's so many different things happening on Wetlands Awareness Day. You can go in and meet some raptors up close. You can meet some reptiles and amphibians up close. You can also walk out to the wetland and talk with some volunteers that are standing in the wetland, and you get to play with some of the wetland clay. And there are lots of different activity stations as you walk through the park. It's really all about connecting the community on a deeper level with the park. We have many stations, we have lots of staff out. It's a really great time to interact with the staff and the volunteers and get to know and understand the park on a deeper level.
This is one of the really cool parks we've got. We've got 423 throughout Fairfax County. This is probably my favorite. It's a lot of good bird diversity, a lot of animals you wouldn't see elsewhere in the county. You come out here, rest, relax, charge your batteries after dealing with Fairfax County's more urban components.
Huntley Meadows is open from dawn to dusk every day. Every visit is a treasure, but it is a dynamic system that is always changing. There are lots of ways to find out what's happening in the park. If you visit our website, then you'll be able to find all that's going on here.